Hello students, welcome in English class. When the young seagull, this chapter first flight we are taking now. When young seagull try to fly, then his siblings and parents both become very happy and flying around him. Okay. After that time, then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. Means the seagull completely forgot he was unable to fly, and then commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. Means he had started to doing action of dive, गोता लगाना शुरू कर दिया, उड़ना शुरू कर दिया. Means all the activity suddenly he started in happiness after seeing the siblings and parents. Okay. He was near the sea now. अब वो एकदम समुद्र के नज़दीक था. Flying straight over it, and he was flying straight. Means he was become able to fly and flying now. Facing straight out over the ocean, he saw a vast green sea beneath him. Means it is the location, the site of green ocean and sea. When he had seen that was under to him. Beneath means under. Means उसने देखा कि विशाल समुद्र की जलराशि जो हरी रंग की दिख रही थी, क्योंकि समुद्र में जो वेजिटेशन होते हैं वो जगह जगह पे दिखते हैं वो ग्रीन कलर के. तो उसने देखा कि वो उसके अंडर में है, उसके नीचे है. ओके. विथ लिटिल रिजेस मूविंग ओवर इट, एंड ही टर्न्ड हिज बीक sideways and cawed amusedly. Means after that he went there side and near to beach. Okay. And there carved means started to speaking something. His parents and his brothers and sisters had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. Means their parents also landed there. सब लोग नीचे उतरे ज़मीन पर, और उसके साथ सब लोग वहीं ग्रीन ग्रास के पास जो फ्लोर पूरी हरी घास की चादर से ढकी हुई थी वहाँ पे बैठते हैं एक साथ. दे वेयर beckoning to him, calling shrilly, and he dropped were beckoning to them his legs to stand on the green sea. Means सब लोग उसको चारों तरफ से किए हुए हैं, उसको बधाई सा देते हैं, और वो अपने पैरों के बल पे वहाँ पे खड़ा था ग्रीन सी में. His legs sank into it. उसके पैर उसमें तैर रहे थे. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again. वो वहाँ पे मीन्स कुछ डर रहा था, लेकिन फिर से वो फ्लैपिंग करता है अपने विंग्स को और उड़ने का प्रयास करता है. ओके. But he was tired and weak with hunger, because means since previous night, last night, he had not eaten anything else, so seems very hungry. उसको बहुत भूख लगी थी, क्योंकि एक दिन पहले से कुछ उसने खाया नहीं था. उसको पनिशमेंट दिया था उसके पेरेंट्स ने, तो अपने आप को बहुत कमज़ोर महसूस कर रहा था. And could not rise, exhausted and unable to taking that flight also. Okay. By the strange exercise his feet sank into the green sea. कुछ विचित्र तरह की एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद उसके पैर उस समुद्र में इस तरह से तैरने लगे. ओके. मीन्स स्टार्टेड टू स्विम देयर. Then his belly touched it and he sank no farther. और उसका बेली जो था, स्टमक, वो टच करने लगा नीचे और वो तैरने लगा. He was floating on it. वो उस पर तैर रहा था लहरों पर. And around him his family was screaming. और उसके चारों तरफ उसकी फैमिली चिल्ला रही थी, चीख रही थी खुशी के मारे. Praising him and their beaks were offering him crabs of dog fish. और सभी लोग उसको कुछ न कुछ खाने के लिए ऑफ़र कर रहे थे और वो फिर खाने पीने में लग गया. In this way he had made his first flight. Means after doing a lot of effort, after collecting his overall strength and courage, that seagull also able to made his first flight. Okay. In overall the chapter we can say that we should never give up our belief and we should be courageous and collect our overall strength, and everything is possible, we can do anything else. So we should never be hopeless and try and try again, then we will must get succeed one day. Okay. Thank you class, thanks today. And today this part 1 become finished and you have to read from next day, from Monday second part. Okay, you have to read the chapter and do the exercise. Thank you class.